Auto tool changers have traditionally been reserved for large manufacturing facilities due to their high cost. But we believe that powerful CNC technology should be accessible to everyone. That's why we developed our own affordable 6-tool auto tool changer, engineered specifically for our Performance Series machines. Easy to install, and even easier to understand, thanks to our intuitive 15-inch touchscreen controller. Whether you're running a small shop or equipping a classroom, you can now unlock faster, more efficient machining without the industrial price tag. Big tech, small budget. Built by Simply.